Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming from Beamish Crafty Corner, and I came to show you this, okay? So, I spent the whole day poking my finger to make new Pokey Tools. I did. Let's see if we can get it to focus. I hate when this thing doesn't focus. Okay, so this one is a purple rose. It's got a little butterfly. And then I did this one, which is daisy. And then we did this pink one. Pretty, right? Focus. Pretty. And then I did this one. And then I did the seahorse. See? See the little seahorsey? Yes. And then I did this one with this lampwork bead. Yep. Blue. Pretty. So that's what I was doing. So now I'm just going to take them and I'm going to put them in these bags. And then I'm going to get them in the shop. So if you want to find them, they're going to be in my Etsy shop. And they are listed under Pokey Tools. P-O-K-E-Y Tools. This is really hard to do without a thumb, guys. Okay, there we go. So they're going to be in there under Pokey Tools. And they'll be in there first thing. I'm putting them in right now. So they will be there in the morning. They're going to get a number and they're going to get listed. Okay? All right. So that's it, guys. Listen, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button for me. And then like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends. Because I'm making Pokey Tools. All right. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.